Dear students, research scholars, and faculties of different colleges and universities. Suppose you are looking at the sunny blue sky with naked eye. Just after it, you again watching the sky with your polarized sunglass. Now you are able to see the teeny cloudlets in the sky which were absent in your previous view. Your sunglass works as a color gun which protects the different wavelength of light for your clear visibility. In the same way, we can use the different bands of electromagnetic spectrum to detect the different features which is not possible in natural color combination or true color combination. In this video, we will discuss the different bands of electromagnetic spectrum used in satellite sensor and their application to detect different Earth surface features by using color gun in GIS platform. Before starting the videos, I would like to notice you to watch the video minutely for better understanding, so that at the end of the video you will be able to answer the quiz question correctly. The link has been given in the description drop down menu. Thanks to all for subscribing our channel and watching the other videos in this channel. Please subscribe the channel if yet not subscribed. Share it to the concerned learner groups. I will eagerly wait for your comments. Don't forget to put a like in this channel. Here the part 2 false color composite from IRS and list 3 Landsat TM OLI data. After the part 1 of the video, you will see this portion. Band composition in satellite image for Landsat TM or OLI data. Here the composite name bands natural color composite 432, standard false color composite 543, false color 764, agriculture 652, healthy vegetation 562, land and water demarcation and identification or detection 564, natural with atmospheric removal 753, short wave infrared 754, vegetation analysis 654. All these are false color composite, and standard false color composite, that is SFCC, which is accepted worldwide. Next, how to prepare these in QGeo platform. I will discuss it later in the practical portion. Open the selected 7 bands of Landsat image, then add in your layer panel, then by use the SCP and semi-automatic classification plugin, use the 7 bands and select all this band here, and then click on plus to band set, and then select the Landsat 8 OLI bands and create a virtual raster, then run. select folder, then a new folder with name band stack as you like, name will be given by you, and then select the new virtual layer is open in the layer panel. Then use the band 432. You will be able to see these types of false color composite image, and after it, in this way you can create too many color composite images. Here the different bands of composition: natural color composition 432, standard false color composition 543, false color composition 652, false color composition 762, and different kinds of false color composition you will able to create to detect the different portion. Here you can see in natural color composition the dam, this particular dam is clearly not visible, but in standard false color composition it is clear. It is more clear in false color composition 652 and also 764. You can able to detect or make a decision on the basis of this color composition. Now natural color 432 passes on with the RGB color gun, red through the red color gun, green through the green, and blue through the blue color gun. Then it will be the natural color, and this color will be represented here. Here the band 432, you will be able to see these types of satellite image. And standard false color composite 543, after passing through the RGB or red, green, blue color gun, then you will see the standard false color composite, and the type is, the satellite image is this, will be this type. Here 543, and different false color composite FCC, it will be used for different purposes. You can use this for your research project also. Dense vegetation by shortwave infrared 764. By the color gun RGB, you pass 764, that is short wave infrared 2, short wave infrared 1, and red color through the RGB color gun. Then you will be able to the false color, and you will see the dense vegetation easily detect. You will be able to detect dense vegetation in this way. Agricultural land by the band composition 652. After passing through the RGB color gun, you will be see the false color composite. This type of image you will be see on your GIS platform. Then you can use this particular purpose. Geology by the band composition 762. Different geological features you will be able to see by this band composition. Here the diagram will be this type 762. Bathymetric by the band composition 432, that is shallow or depth water features or underwater features you will be able to detect by this band combination 432. It is very important for ocean research. Healthy vegetation and band composition. By the band composition, healthy vegetation 6562. By passing through the color gun, you will be able to see this type of diagram or satellite image, which will able to detect easily vegetation condition. Natural with atmospheric removal by 753. Short wave infrared to near infrared and green color passes through the RGB color gun, then it will be appear this type of image. And drainage and soil patterns, stages of crop growth by short wave infrared, you will easily detect their condition by 754 band composition. Vegetation analysis by band composition by 654. Short wave infrared 1, near infrared and red color passes through the RGB color gun, and it will produce the false color composite, and the satellite image will appear this type. Recap: in this video we discussed concept of bands in satellite image for IRS LIS 3, concept of bands in satellite image for Landsat TM or OLI, band composition in satellite image for IRS LIS 3, band composition in satellite image for Landsat TM OLI data. Watch it minutely, each and every part, and answer the quiz questions correctly. Here the 10 questions of 2 marks each, total marks is equal to 20, and you have to answer all. Quiz link has been given in description drop down menu or in our website theqgeo.com, or the quiz link directly here. I hope you understand the total topic as I mentioned, with distinct diagram and elaborate discussion. If it is useful to you, please share it to your dear and near and also your classmates group for their advancement of studies. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and put a like. I will also express my reaction of your every comments in videos. Thank you with best wishes.